Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to post your videos or templates on Capcut. To get started, follow my instructions carefully. First of all, let me inform you that in order to upload any post, video, or event template, you need to be a template creator. To become one, you need to edit regularly, and Capcut's agency or customer service will be able to identify you as a template creator. Once you're a template creator, there will be a button below the Share button after exporting any video. This will allow you to share your video as a template. Let me show you where the button will appear. So if you create a project and export it, you'll see a button just below the Share to TikTok button. This button will say Share as Template. If you see this button, it means you've met the criteria to be a template creator. Now, you just need to click on that button, and your template will be uploaded. To recap, you need to edit regularly, and once you do, the Share as Template button will appear after exporting. Just tap it, and your template will be uploaded. That's all for today's video. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.